What's up, Turbo Trendz TV fam? Today, we're diving deep into the latest iteration of an automotive icon, the 2025 Mini Cooper. The Mini has always been a fan favorite, combining British heritage with BMW engineering, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. Is it still the quirky, fun-to-drive hatchback that enthusiasts love, or has it strayed too far from its roots? Let's find out. Exterior. Right off the bat, the new Mini Cooper commands attention with its fresh yet familiar design. The front end maintains its signature round LED headlights, but they've been refined with a more modern look, featuring customizable daytime running light signatures. The front grille has been reshaped to be more aerodynamic while still keeping that iconic hexagonal design. Instead of excessive chrome accents, Mini has embraced a sleeker, more minimalist aesthetic with blacked-out elements for a sportier appeal. The hood remains compact, giving the car its distinctive short nose profile, and depending on the trim, you can opt for a contrasting roof color, which adds to its playful character. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Mini Cooper retains its unmistakable stance. It's small but confident, with a slightly longer wheelbase than before to improve stability and ride comfort. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving it an aggressive but not over-the-top look. The new alloy wheel designs are stunning, available in multiple patterns and sizes ranging from 16 to 18 inches. One of the standout features is the flush door handles, which contribute to the modernized appearance while also improving aerodynamics. The blacked-out pillars give the illusion of a floating roof, a design trick that enhances the car's compact yet dynamic proportions. The charging port for the electric variant is cleverly integrated on the side, ensuring a seamless look. Swinging around to the back, the Mini Cooper's rear design is just as charismatic as ever. The taillights continue the Union Jack theme, but they've been redesigned for a bolder, more distinctive lighting signature. The rear bumper is cleaner, with a sportier diffuser-like element for the John Cooper Works models, while standard variants have a more refined, minimalist finish. The dual exhaust outlets remain for the gasoline-powered versions, emphasizing the car's performance heritage. The roof spoiler is subtly integrated, aiding aerodynamics without compromising the classic Mini aesthetic. The overall stance is wide and planted, ensuring that the Mini doesn't just look fun but also feels solid and well-built. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that blends retro charm with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece is a brand-new circular OLED touchscreen, measuring a massive 9.4 inches in diameter. This higher-resolution display serves as both the infotainment and instrument cluster, replacing traditional dials. The system runs on Mini's latest software, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice control, and a range of customizable themes. Below the screen, Mini retains its iconic toggle switches for essential functions like driving modes, start, stop, and climate control, ensuring a tactile, engaging experience. The materials inside are premium, with a mix of soft-touch plastics, leather, and sustainable fabric trims. Mini has taken a step towards sustainability by incorporating recycled materials without compromising on luxury. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable, changing colors based on driving modes or user preference, adding an extra layer of personalization. The seats are more supportive than ever, with improved bolstering to keep you comfortable during spirited drives. The rear seats remain compact but offer slightly more legroom thanks to the longer wheelbase. Cargo space is decent for a car of this size, and the rear seats fold down to expand storage when needed. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mini Cooper comes with multiple powertrain options. The base gasoline model is powered by a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, delivering a zippy 156 horsepower and 170 pounds-feet of torque. For those craving more power, The Cooper S features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 204 horsepower and 221 pounds-feet of torque, ensuring an exhilarating drive. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic for smooth shifts and efficiency. For the eco-conscious, the all-electric Mini Cooper SE returns with improved battery technology, offering up to 250 miles of range on a full charge. The electric motor produces 218 horsepower and an instant 243 pounds-feet of torque, making it surprisingly quick off the line. Charging times have been improved, with DC fast charging allowing 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Making it a practical choice for city dwellers and commuters. Mini's renowned go-kart handling is very much alive in the 2025 model. The suspension has been fine-tuned to provide a perfect balance between comfort and agility. The steering remains sharp and responsive, giving drivers an engaging connection to the road. The lower center of gravity, especially in the electric variant due to battery placement, enhances stability around corners. Whether you're darting through city streets or tackling twisty back roads, the Mini delivers a driving experience that puts a smile on your face. Pricing for the 2025 Mini Cooper starts at around $28,000 for the base gasoline model, making it an accessible yet premium option. The Cooper S with its more powerful engine and added features comes in at around $33,000. If you're eyeing the electric Cooper SE, expect to pay around $36,000, with top trims reaching closer to $40,000 depending on options. While not the cheapest hatchback on the market, the Mini Cooper justifies its price with its blend of style, technology, and performance. So, is the 2025 Mini Cooper worth it? Absolutely. It stays true to its heritage while embracing modern advancements, making it an excellent choice for those who want a stylish, fun, and somewhat practical car with personality. The refreshed design, tech-laden interior, and multiple powertrain options ensure that there's a Mini Cooper for everyone. Whether you're a die-hard enthusiast or someone looking for a compact car with character, the 2025 Mini delivers in spades. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Mini Cooper. What do you think about the new design and features? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Trendz TV for more epic car content. Stay tuned for more reviews, test drives, and everything automotive. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.